Hiccup. 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 Gregory, I have a hiccup. Hiccup. You know how to fix the hiccup?
No. Here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not better.
Okay. Gonna use it?
It's out of battery.
How's it? Then go charge it. Or use the laser gun, I guess.
Here, I can try this.
Okay.
They work?
Here. I think I'm still hiccuping. So, yeah, didn't work.
Usually I would just drink some water, but I don't know what you guys drink or eat.
Oh, you drink oil.
Then try to drink oil and look up. While swallowing.
Okay.
Maybe that works.
Oh, that didn't work. Yeah, that didn't work.
Here, let's ask Foxy.
Foxy, how do we
Ahoy, laddie.
how do we fix my hiccup? Hiccup.
Well, that's an unfortunate Yiga and the hiccup. Well, I can't say I am sure of how to help you out, matey. Although I'm very curious how those clouds are even floating. That's what I'm more curious about.
You know this is like a stage, like a prop stage. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know that, but there's nothing visible holding up those clouds.
Maybe there's strings on the
There's very thin pieces of string.
Anyway, I don't know. Maybe there's something in, like, Glamrockfreddy's room or something. I don't know. That's a thought.
Yeah.
Sure, thank you.
Hiccup.
Yeah.
Hiccup.
Yeah.
Do you know how to fix it?
Huh?
You know how to fix it?
I mean, there might be something in Glamrockfreddy's room, like I said, but, yeah, I got really not much.
No, thanks, Foxy.
No problem.
Maybe this cookie,
that's
this popsicle will help it. Ate the popsicle, so yummy.
That didn't work.
It still didn't work.
Try to drink that oil right there again.
Oil. Okay, I'll drink the oil. It didn't work.
Just try to hold your breath.
Okay.
That works. I actually don't know how any other ways.
Where are you?
He's breathing. Is it gone?
Yes, it doesn't work.
Yeah, Roxy's still after it.
Maybe you gotta scare me.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Where'd Gregor go? I don't know. Roxy, you scared me.
Freddy, have you seen?
Roxy, you
Have you seen a
scared
little
me.
child?
Roxy, you scared
Freddy,
me.
have you seen a
Roxy, you
little child?
scared me.
I know I did.
Yeah, that.
Where's? Have you seen? Have you seen? Have you seen a child?
You like Gregory. Gregory's not. You're Roxy. You're not. You. That was the games that we made. I don't think you're supposed to hunt him in real life. We adopted him. Me and you are dated.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Gregory, I think you can stop hiding now because I think that was just the games.
Hello.
Look at that little taily. Tickle, tickle. Maybe if she uses her tail, maybe it'll make me stop hiccuping. Hiccup! Hiccup! Hiccup, 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 hiccup.
You mean like this?
Like you just put it right next to my nose? Like you just back up a little bit?
What?
Just back up a little bit.
No, if you're gonna act like I'm not.
You gotta put it right in my nose. Oh, tickle, tickle. Oh, chew. It didn't work. Oh, come here, close. Oh, yeah.
Dude, I'm a player. Are you kidding me?
Roxy, you're a girl. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Roxy? You're a girl. What are you talking about?
Listen, I'm just trying to. Listen, I'm a boy doing like Roxy's voice.
You're a girl, Roxy.
Listen, I know, Freddy.
You're a girl. Chillax.
Oh, hey, Foxy.
Alright.
I'll be saw nothing through that window, by the way. You saw nothing. Anyway.
Sure, matey, sure.
We're getting freaky. Gregory saw nothing too. Hiccup. Hiccup. Hiccup.
Yeah, you said we got that going.
Yeah, but you guys haven't done anything yet to, yeah.
Maybe, getting jump scared ought to get the...
Roxy jump scared me,
hiccup
but I
sound,
still
right?
hiccuped. Hiccup. Hiccup.
Okay, I don't know. Maybe it needs to be a lot more scarier.
Yeah, probably.
Now, which one of these would frighten you more? Assuming one of these characters were just randomly here.
Maybe the left, the guy that looks like, I don't know. Innard died like a year ago, I think, or a couple of 8 months ago. I don't know how long, but he died like 8 months
Oh, that's
ago.
unfortunate. Well, I mean, did he really die?
Yeah, he did die. He got stabbed by glitch trap, and then died.
Well, I mean, he is made up of a bunch of wires, though, so couldn't he technically fake his death?
Maybe, but he died,
I mean,
and
he
we had to
could
bury
come
him.
back as,
We had to bury him.
Oh. Well, I don't know. I'm just throwing ideas at the wall here.
That is crazy.
Yeah, those two creatures right there are pretty scary, although they ain't here, so... Yeah.
True.
Yeah, I think... no, wait, Alright, now that's what I was gonna say.
Yeah, maybe when you guys peek through the thing, one of the things, maybe I'll get scared.
Alright. Peekaboo.
Wait. Okay, let me look at the innard. Look at that mouthy. What's that mouth gonna do?
I'm gonna base your frontal lobe.
Ah!
That's what I'm gonna
Scary! It's scary! 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 I'm not hiccuping anymore!
Just roll with it. Let them think it's scary. I'm gonna bite your head. Baby.
Scary! 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 Scary!
It's very, yes, I'm very spoopy.
Guys, I'm not hiccuping anymore.
You
fixed it.
Problem. Yay.
Yippee! I'm fixed from the hiccups. Yay!
Well, the hope maybe.
What are you doing? Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go to my room and go to bed.
Alright.
No, actually, I'm gonna go into Roxy's OnlyFans. What? Roxy's room. Going to Roxy's room. Roxy's OnlyFans password. Yeah, I think we already know that, but man, why not?